It's working. Take it away. Go.
My name's Cassidy.
Grant.
Dylan.
Lisa.
Nicholas.
And today we're making two different Greek dishes. The first one we're making is spanakopita, which is a spinach and feta pastry. And the second one you're making is
Bogasta, which is a like a breakfast pastry with a custard base.
Awesome. Okay, great. Got that done.
So staged. All right.
So we have to.
Now we cut.
We have to like.
Chef Fry, you already put the 2 layers.
First,
Right.
first it's butter first,
Okay.
then a sheet. Oh, wait, and it says
All right. This is the spinach and feta filling,
the butter
and
for the
basically we just buttered
now or
and cut out our phyllo sheets, and now we're gonna fill them
Yeah.
up with the filling.
scoop right here.
Yeah.
I think what we have to do
So-
is just squish this one sheet into place in the bottom
fine.
instead of scrunching it and then placing multiple on the bottom.
first we have to brush with the melted butter.
Yeah, brush, and then we go perpendicular.
Like filled the pastry, and
Yeah,
now
so
we're
just like
folding
just
it.
lightly coat
we can
everything with a
seal
bit
it
of
off
butter,
here
not
with
like
the
so
butter.
much butter where it's like
And we seal it off with butter so
too
that it
much
looks
butter.
very
It's
presentable.
just like enough.
And then we put it onto the tray and we spread more butter onto it so that it doesn't dry out. And
Is butter your friend?
yes.
That's what I'm counting it as.
Spread it onto the corner
Yeah.
of the
So,
phyllo dough. So it
that way, right?
forms a triangle.
Oh,
So how does
we just did it that way though. Wait.
no, we didn't, because look at the sides.
Oh, okay, okay.
We learn about it in school with the
sorry.
guidance of our teacher.
I'm sorry.
We have mise en place forms which help us figure out all the equipment we need and all of the ingredients so that you lay everything out first and measure it first before you start, which helps with organizational purposes.
The others, and Grant, and the other students will be my senior students.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Have you taught your mom and dad some skills, kids?
My mom is a good cook already, but my dad, I can teach a little bit about culinary etiquette and things like that.
I kind of had like a little bit of experience in the kitchen because of my grandma,
Uh,
because she liked to cook a lot. So I kind of learned throughout like late elementary, in middle school, kind of how to cook. And my mom and my dad have always been pretty decent. So